Hey there, let's talk about toothbrushes. Now, a large variety of toothbrushes are available on the market, and choosing one that is right for you can be both confusing and overwhelming. So, here's a few tips. Soft bristled toothbrushes are typically the safest for your gums. By helping to remove plaque and other debris from your teeth, softer toothbrush bristles are highly recommended by most dental professionals. Additionally, a small-headed brush can help you clean the harder-to-reach parts of your mouth, like your back teeth. However, if you have limited manual dexterity, a powered toothbrush is a great alternative that will also provide a thorough cleaning. Lastly, it's important to choose a toothbrush that's comfortable for you. The best toothbrush is one that fits your mouth and is comfortable to hold.